time for me to stir a little bit. Her strong arm got weak. What it do, y'all? So today I'm about to make some Rice Krispy Treats at home from scratch. I guess it's from scratch, whatever. But yeah, this is my ingredients that I'm gonna use. We got the Rice Krispie, a pan, a butter spatula, some marshmallows, and some butter. That's all the ingredients you need. And I got Chelsea over here to help make them. So we about to get to it. And you also need a skillet. You have to put your skillet on low. So first thing first, you need 3 tablespoons of butter. There you go, Chelsea. Chelsea gonna hook it up for us because last time she hooked them cupcakes and cake up for us. For real, she came through for us. You hear me? But yeah, the skillet is on low and you got to put your butter in there. 3 tablespoons.
And if y'all don't know, the paper tell you how much is what.
Right. The tablespoons is on the butter pack.
That helps so much.
So you have to let this melt, the butter melt in there with the whole bag of 10-ounce marshmallows. You hear me?
I'm gonna lie.
Uh-oh.
Carly naughty.
Uh-oh, we dropped one.
Soldier down.
You gotta put the whole bag in there with the butter. So we gotta let that go for a minute so it can melt down up in there because of course, you know, them some big fat marshmallows, so it's gonna take a little minute to melt up in there with the butter. Okay, that's melting down pretty good with the butter so far. And while that's going, I'm gonna start off the first cup of Rice Krispies. You have to have 6 cups though total. So this is both of our first time making Rice Krispy Treats. So you know, work with us a little bit and we excited, you know. Plus I love Rice Krispy Treats at the store, so yes, why not try to make them on your own, you know? Ooh. Still a few little lumps in there, but it's getting melted down pretty good. It's done, y'all, so we have to remove it from the heat. And then after you remove it from the heat, that's when you add your Rice Krispies to it. 6 cups of Rice Krispies to it and mix it all together. So we're gonna do that step now. So I'm gonna add the first cup. And then she can stir it all around. Stir it all around. And this is the last cup. Now, as y'all can see, it got pretty thick and she's getting her arm is getting a little weak there. So yeah, this is the whole point for it to be like really hot and sticky. That's the whole point before you put it into your pan. But yeah, you know what? I might start making Rice Krispy Treats and selling them because it's easier than I thought. me talking, but I ain't stirring. But anyway.
Wait until you do this.
Right. I'm like, I don't know about this part.
One time and I'm done.
We're gonna stick the pan over here. And then we're gonna spread it out. And this, where this come in at, where you have to even it out with the butter spatula. In a 13 by 9 pan. Okay, it's time for me to stir a little bit. Her strong arm got weak. So I'm gonna do a little stirring over here.
My weak arm couldn't do it.
Yeah. But it smells so good, y'all. It really smells good. And this is easier than what I thought, for real. Like, I would have been making these, you know.
Right.
Chef Ida. Oh.
It felt like you was getting too
Matter
cocky.
of fact, let me taste it because, you know. Rice Krispy Treats. Okay, so now we're gonna put it into this pan and make it all even and stuff. Okay, Chelsea got some extra little stuff. She didn't whip out the cab that I didn't even know that she had, but she got some milk chocolate M&Ms and the peanut ones. So she thinking about adding them in there. I don't care. I like peanut M&Ms, or we could do that.
Or we could just eat them. But hey,
Right, it's whatever you want to do. We can layer some, then add them, or whatever. All right, now Chelsea turn to use the butter spatula.
this is harder than it looks.
Yes, it is. This is the skillet though. That's gonna take forever to get that sticky stuff out of there.
Do we need even stuff?
I mean, you want it to be kind of even a little bit. So this is the concept for it to be even in the pan. And after this, after you do this step, you just got to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool off. But Chelsea's going to add her little decorative stuff to it to make it look all pretty. So I'm going to show y'all that too. Okay, so we got some aluminum foil, y'all, to try to even this out and make it even as possible. Because the spatula just kept picking up the Rice Krispy Treats. But I think it's probably going to look better than what it was. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh god! We tried! Oh my goodness! I think it's about to come up. Look at that. We tried, y'all. So do not attempt to do it with aluminum foil. Well, you know what? It might work better than what we thought, though. And we're gonna leave it at that. We can't do even because we don't have wax paper. But yeah, it's a little bit even. Yeah, actually it is. I mean, it worked better than with this butter spatula. So yeah, that's about even as it's gonna get or whatever. Yeah, that was actually, it wasn't that bad.
Good job.
Okay, so now she can lay her M&Ms down. Okay, so she's gonna do half just in case the people didn't want M&Ms in their Rice Krispy Treats. So she decided just to do half, just in case if everybody didn't want the M&Ms and their Rice Krispy Treats. So this is the half that she did with the peanut M&Ms. So then you just put it into the refrigerator and let it sit in the refrigerator until it get cool, and then you have Rice Krispy Treats. Okay, y'all, the Rice Krispy Treats came out the refrigerator, and Chelsea now already cut it up into some squares, but
oh shoot!
Ooh, we didn't even have to butter the pan. We forgot to butter the pan, y'all. Mmm.
Uncle already did it.
Right. Let's see. Oh, wow.
That's good. Good job. Good job, baby.
Okay. I'm about to start selling Rice Krispy Treats for $1.
Good job.
That is good for real.
It is. It's real good.
Nah, we hooked it up. So that was our Rice Krispy Treat video. Make sure you smash the like button for it and comment down below because it was fun and kind of hard, y'all. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. But I'm out. Peace.